If you want to make your edits funnier, more engaging, and way more entertaining, then today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a laughing sound effect in CapCut. This is a super simple trick that can instantly improve comedy videos, reaction clips, memes, skits, and short form content. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips, editing tricks, and content creation tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your video clip is already placed on the main editing timeline. If your footage is not on the timeline yet, you won't be able to properly sync the sound effect with the moment you want to make funny. So get your clip in position first, then you're ready for the audio. Next, look at the upper left navigation panel and click on the Audio tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its music and sound effect options. Once you click Audio, a sub-menu will appear right below it. From there, select Sound Effects. Now you'll be inside CapCut's Sound Effects library. This section gives you access to tons of different audio clips you can use in your edits, including comedic sounds, transitions, crowd reactions, and more. To find the right effect quickly, go to the search bar and type laugh or laughing, then press enter. CapCut will now show you a list of relevant sound effects. Take a moment to browse through the options because there are usually different styles available. You might see giggles, evil laughs, audience chuckles, cartoon style laughs, or other funny reaction sounds. The key here is choosing the one that matches the mood of your video. To preview a sound effect, click the play icon on the thumbnail or album art. This lets you hear the effect before adding it to your project, so you can make sure it fits the timing and style of your content. If one laugh sounds too exaggerated, too short, or just not right, keep testing a few others until you find the perfect one. Once you've found the laughing sound effect you want, adding it is very easy. You can click the blue plus icon next to the sound effect, and CapCut will automatically place it into your project. Or, if you prefer, you can drag and drop the audio file directly onto the audio track underneath your video clip. After that, you can adjust the timing by moving the sound effect left or right on the timeline. This is really important because the laugh should land at the exact moment that makes the scene funny. You can also trim the sound if it's too long or shorten it if you only want a quick reaction burst. If the effect is too loud, you can lower the volume so it blends naturally with your video. And if you want a stronger comedic punch, you can layer the laugh with captions, zooms, or other edits to make the moment even more effective. So that's how to add a laughing sound effect in CapCut. It's fast, simple, and a great way to make your content more entertaining and memorable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.